if you are using Elementor and you have a form just like this, and you want to format the font field uh, for US market, so it has to be not like this, but like this one, because it will be based in the United States. Everyone is getting trouble on doing this. There are some plugins around and some sorts of code, but I think a lot of people have not figured out yet how to use that. So on this video, I'm going to explain how you can format the phone number from from this one that's by default for Elementor to this one. So it's very simple. Simply follow me step by step and let's do this. First of all, we have to edit the form. So yeah, I have created two items here because the first one is just showing this one, and the second one is showing this one because I have done that. So let's remove the first one, and now we have just the correct form. So what we have to do is we have to add an item. Once you add an item, make sure to select the type tel, because if you select the number, it doesn't work. So you have to select this type. And once you do this, this is a placeholder. Don't worry for this. You can put whatever you want. Uh, Go to advanced and type the ID phone. Or maybe you can use the ID that you want, but just to make it work with the code I will give you, you have to use the ID phone. And now, once we save this, what we have to do is we will go back to our dashboard and go to Elementor and then go to custom code. I do have add the custom code here, so if you already have one, just click edit or add the new. In this case, I'm going to edit it just to demonstrate the script I have used. And you have to take this piece of script, okay, this script here. As you can see, we have the ID here, the ID font, form field ID is font. Now, using this script, don't forget to put it right on the body. I have used on the body start. You can use on the body end as well if it works for you. For me, it's worked pretty well here. So yeah, just use this script, put it on the Elementor custom code, and don't forget to change the ID here exactly as you have your one ID here on the form, and update it. Once you do that, you will have this result. It worked like a charm. And this is better because you don't have to use any other plugins because for your website security. So simply use this script and everything will be solved. So just to have a recap for everyone, uh, add an item, choose the type font, tel, sorry, go to advanced and put an ID called font because you can use whatever ID you want. I'm going to remove for the moment and then go to the Elementor, go to custom code and paste this source of code. Make sure the ID here is same as the form ID and save it. That's all. It will solve you the US format phone number that your client may require. Thank you.